first you find a film, use your change to test to read the train. See the field is enough big to read the train. You have to leave maybe it's 15 mm this ceiling, so that it's okay. After you adjust the platform height and the width, you have to make the screw every screw time. The screw time. Yes. That have 2 screws or you make it time.
然后就可以穿模了。
And now pass by the film. Install the film.
They 说这根杆子不穿，但是穿模示意图就要穿这根杆，这杆没用，这杆没用。这杆是没有的，这杆没有，这杆没有，这杆是不用穿，直接这样下去就可以了。一穿的话会顶住这个光眼这里啊，还有这模。
You install like this, it's okay. 反正就按你这样子装就可以了。
对呀。
Also, this width also need to add a draft. See. Make sure this size is enough to pass the train, pass your packaged product. After confirm the size, you have made the 4 black screw, the 4 bracket tie.
这些都要看平衡。
现在都关上了吗？现在这2个那个中锋。
没有啊，是合上了。
合上了，我看到是。现在应该是打开吧，对不对？
中锋加快打开了，这个是轮子合上了。
哦。OK。
还有这是高度，高度。
The brush also, the height also offering the train to the draft here. Now can pass, it's okay.